Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So, it's been so long, right? So, can you tell me, how was your assessment? All of you have done well? I know all of you have done well. So, children, today we are going to start a new story. All of you like stories, right? So today we are going to start a new story. So, do you want to know what's the story? Will the boat float? So, this is the title of our story. So, this is our storybook. I hope all of you have this storybook with you. If not, then go and bring your storybook. Look, go and bring this storybook. Then we'll start. Okay, children. I hope all of you have your storybook with you now. So, let's start now. So, today we are going to look at the pictures in the storybook. Okay, today we are going to look at the pictures in the storybook, and then we'll find out what is going on in the story. Okay, by looking at the picture, we'll find out what is going on in the story. So, are you all ready for today's class? Yes? Show me your thumbs up if you are ready. All of you, show me your thumbs up. Yes. Oh, you are ready? Okay. So now let's start. Okay, children. Now all of you look at this page. All of you look at the front page of the storybook. Yes. Okay. So from the picture, can you guess what this story is about? Yes, by looking at the picture, can you guess what the story is about? Yes, first of all, let's see what we can see in this picture. So, there are mountains. Can you see the mountains? Yes, it's green in color. Then, what is this? Cow, right? This is a cow. Then what is this? This is a pig, right? This is a pig. So children, can you see water? Yes, can you see water? Yes, then in the water there are some fish. This is small fish, right? Then this is big fish. Can you see this? Yes. Then can you see me? The cow and the pig, where are they sitting now? Yes, on a boat, right? They're sitting on the boat. Okay, now can you read the title of this book? Can you all read? Will the boat float? Right. So, from this title of the book, can you guess what the story is about? Can you guess? Yes, it is about boat, water and these animals, right? It is about these animals. Okay. Now, all of you open the book. All of you double spread the book. Yes? Is it visible to you? Yes, is it visible to you? It is clear. Is it clear? Yes? Okay. So, in this page, what animals do you see in the picture? Can you name the animals in the picture? Yes? Okay, let's name it together, okay? Yes, let's name it together. So, what animal is this? Is it clear? Yes, this is a pig. Right. What animal is this? This is a rat. Right. This is a dog. Yes, very good. And this is? Yes, this is a cow. Right? Okay. So, these are the animals we can see in this picture. So, what are each of the animals doing? Yes. What are they doing? Look, the cow is eating grass, right? The cow is eating. The dog is taking rest, right? The pig and the rat. What are they doing? Yes, they are thinking something, right? Yes, okay. Now all of you turn your page slowly and double spread the book. Can you see the picture? Yes. So, where do you think the animals are going? Yes, from this picture, can you tell me where the animals are going? Yes, it looks like a village, right? And it looks like a city, right? Yes, so I think that they are going to the city, right? Okay, let me know what you think. Where are they going? Okay? Okay. Now all of you turn your page and double spread your book. Double spread your book. Yes, is it clear to you? Okay. Now look at the picture carefully. So, by looking at the picture, do you think they want to cross the river? Yes? Do you think they want to cross the river? Yes, because they are near the boat, right? And they want to go to the city. So for going to the city, they had to cross the river. So, yes, I think they want to cross the river. Yes. So, do you see an object that will help them cross the river? Can you see any object here? Yes, can you see any object here that will help them to cross the river? Yes? Yes. Yes, can you see this boat? Can you see this boat? Yes, this boat will help them to cross the river, right? Okay. Now all of you turn to the next page. Yes. Okay, now can you see this picture? Okay, now tell me which animal is getting into the boat now. So, which animal is getting into the boat now? Yes, which animal is this? Cow, right? The cow is going into the boat now. Yes, very good. Now again, all of you turn your page slowly. All of you turn your page slowly. Okay, now look at this picture. So, which animal has joined the cow in the boat? Can you see this picture clearly? Which animal? Yes, which animal has joined the cow in the boat? Which animal is this? A pig, right? The pig is joining the cow now. Okay, very good. Now, all of you turn your page slowly. All of you turn. Yes. Okay, in this picture, which animal has got into the boat now? Now, which animal? Yes, tell me which animal? A dog, right? The dog. Now he is going into the boat. Yes. So, how many animals are in the boat now? Can you count? How many animals are in the boat? Okay, let's count it together, okay? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 animals in the boat now, right? We have 3 animals. Okay, very good. Now turn your page. All of you turn your page. Yes, can you see this picture clearly? Okay, good. So, which animal is getting ready to get into the boat? Yes, look at the picture. Which animal is getting ready? The rat. Right. The rat is getting ready. Yes, we can see here. The rat. Right? Yes. Okay, very good. Now all of you turn your page. All of you turn your page. Yes, and look at this picture carefully. So, do you think the animal look worried? Yes, by looking at the picture, do you think they are worried? Look at their faces. Yes, are they having some fun? Are they smiling? No, they are worried. They are not smiling. They are not having fun. We can see they are worried, right? They are worried, yes. Okay. So, is there anything different about the boat now? Yes, the boat is sinking now. Can you see? One side of the boat has become heavy, right? Yes, the one side of the boat has become heavy. Okay. Now all of you turn your page. All of you. Yes, now look at the picture. What has happened here? Can you tell me what has happened here? The boat sinks, right? The boat went down the water because one side of the boat was heavy, right? So the boat sink. Okay? बोट पानी के अंदर चला गया. क्यों? क्योंकि एक साइड हैवी था, इसलिए, right? Okay. Now all of you turn your page. Yes. Now look at this page. Are the animals safe? Yes. Can you tell me? Are the animals safe? Yes. Look, the pig, the cow, the dog, the rat. Can you see here? Yes. They are safe, right? They are safe. Okay. Now, do you think they want to cross the river? Yes. Do you think they want to cross the river again? I don't think they want to cross. I think they are afraid now. What do you think? Okay, let me know. Okay, what do you think? Okay, very good. Okay. So, all of you, look at this page. Can you see this page clearly? Yes? Can you see? So, things that float. Right, things that float up the water? What are the things? Duck. This is a toy duck. Then feather, leaves, ball, right? Then things that sink, things that go down the water. Key. This is a key. Then coin, glass, steel spoon. Then pebbles. Pebbles means pathar, right? Stone. Yes, that sink down the water. That goes down the water. Okay. Okay, we'll study more about this thing. Things that float and things that sink. Okay, we'll study more in our next classes. So children, what we have learned today? Yes, today we have learned that by looking at the picture, what is going on in the story, right? By looking at the picture, we have learned what is going on in the story. Okay, children. So, children, that's all for today. See you in our next class. All of you take care. Don't go out of your home. Okay, stay happy and stay healthy. Okay, children. See you. Bye.